So there we go, we got them on, got everything tightened down. I had to turn them a little bit just so I could get the ratchet in there. This one, not the same direction, but the main thing is keep that protected out of the hood, which I think I have about a ½ inch of space, and that's tight. So there you go. We got upgraded battery clamps for off-road lights and things like that. Add extra lugs for my ham radio gear and whatever else we want to do. Okay, I got the Nilight pod lights wired up. You know, if you look down this way, they're not too bad, but looking at the vehicle, I don't know. They don't look extremely bright. Rather disappointed. I thought they'd be brighter. Shameful. Those are on during the mid-daylight right here. Should be overloading the camera, but they're not. Ordered another set of these Nilight LED pods. Unfortunately, everything comes in a box. It says light bar, but there's the model number, 6001 Fox-Bravo. And of course, they're made in China like everything else these days. Excuse me as I reach around the camera. Nilight, thank you for choosing Nilight. If you have any issues, go to their technical support. Probably want you to do that instead of leaving them negative feedback. I see so many people that don't know anything about basic electronics trying to install these things on the Amazon reviews, and I'm like, oh my god, man, you're an idiot. You're going to condemn the light manufacturer and give it a bad review because you don't know how to wire it up. Okay, let's open it up. Nilight, thank you. We need your help. If you have an issue with a product, read our technical support. Cool. One bracket and the bolts. Oops, second bracket and the bolts. The other ones I had were 4 rows. Let's see what's different about these. Oh, these are, oh, that's a little bit different. 6 LEDs, but the same size. I think the other ones, oops, sorry. I didn't realize it wasn't in the camera. 6 LEDs, but the same size package as the other one. 4 by 3 by 2 or something like that. Can't remember the actual dimensions, but that one's got a Allen bolt right in there. That's different. Other ones were in the package for the mounting. This one's got holes on the side. So, oh, okay, so it does something a little bit differently. The bolt holds that to this, so it slides back and forth, and then the brackets go in on the side. Okay, that's different than the other one. The other one slid up and down on a trough, then you had a bolt that tightened it in place. Okay, so each one's a little bit different. No problemo. I think that Allen head screw there might have been a little buggered up from the factory, but anyways, they feel rugged, they feel heavy. Definitely Lexan. I don't know if it's plexiglass. Hopefully it's not plexiglass. A scratch and wear. Nilight. I like to go over these with a little black paint. Nothing worse than having them on the hood. Off the side of the hood, the sun reflecting on it, reflecting in your face as you're driving down the road. The white print, who cares about that? That'll eventually fade off and wear off, but the side that's going to be facing you from the windshield into the driver's, yeah, touch them up with a little black paint. Save you a lot of aggravation down the road. Okay, so we got the Nilight harnessing wiring done. Positive, positive, negative, negative. I always remove the positive, then remove the negative, then put everything together. Reverse, negative first, positive last. That way you don't send a big charge into your ECM, electronic control module. So anyways, got to put that up there. Probably put a zip tie over that to help hold that up. So I got excess wire. This is to the plug, which I got to snake through the firewall. I got things zip tied down here. Over there, it's not the perfect, but I can only lift up this cowl piece. I'll have to get my son to help me at a later date and tuck the wire up underneath that and then over. But for right now, I got it zip tied out of the way and just got to cut those zip ties, and I want to put some electrical tape, then a piece of duct tape over these plugs to help keep them more waterproof. So anyways, let me finish up and let me run this wire, and we'll be back. Okay, so I got some electrical tape over both sides. Now I'm just going to run a piece of duct tape just for extra guarantee and a little bit of wear resistant. It's not perfect, but it's on there for wear resistance. Not sure how much pressure it's going to get up underneath the hood there. And now I just got to do the other side. And I'm using black Gorilla Tape for that. There you go. I used the Nilight wiring. You know, I suspected I had a broken wire in that other wire I got from the hardware store. Sure as hell, it must have been that, because I traced everything. Only thing I couldn't do was go from one end to the other in the continuity checker. So anyways, we have the light pods on, and yeah. Those are bright. Okay, so here's my fog lights off, fog lights on. These are low beams, high beams, fog lights. Let's go back to parking lights. Now I'm going to engage the 2 light pods on top the hood. Definitely shine off on the sides a little bit. Headlights, fog lights. I don't think I'd want to come down the road and meet me head on. As long as I don't get stopped by a cop. That's probably illegal. Okay, so we got the fog lights on. Turn on the LED pods. Things are so bright, man, I could drive with those. Probably totally illegal because they shine off on the sides of the road, but if something happened, they would definitely work and kick some butt here. Isn't that amazing? Things are insane.